Hello everyone, I'm Gaurav, Assistant Professor in Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies in the Department of Information and Communication Technology. Today we are starting the video lecture series for the course Database Management System. So, my dear students, first we will start with Database Management System, and now I am taking the first word of this, that is database. Dear students, when someone hears the word database, one thinks it is a collection of related information stored or store of mutually related data. So we can say that database is a shared collection of related data which will be used to support the activities of particular organization. It helps the organization to work smoothly. A database has the following properties. Let's discuss one by one. The first one is it is a representation of some aspects of the real world. Basically, in real world there are so many things to represent. So that is basically the representation of real world as some aspects. The second one is database is logical, coherent, and internally consistent. And third one is database is designed, built, and populated with data for specific purpose. My dear students, we can make a database for some specific purpose to solve our problems and to make our problem easy. So we can say that the first question arises in our mind that what is database? A database is an organized collection of data. It is a collection of schemas, tables, queries, reports, and other objects. So we can say, now I am coming to the whole word, that is database management system. My dear students, we can say that database is managed by a software package is known as database management system. So now I am giving you some technical definition of database management system. So we can say that database management system is a collection of programs that enable user to create, maintain in a database and control all the access to the database. So the primary goal of the DBMS is to provide an environment that is both convenient and efficient for user to store and retrieve information. First we can store the information, then it is similar to that, how can we retrieve that information? We retrieve the information by some queries. So we will discuss all these things in the later videos. Our basic aim is what is database management system. Thank you. I hope you understand this lecture. Please do like, share and subscribe Tecnia TV. Thank you so much.